There are many ways that Link Fixer Advanced can handle a load of work for you. In this particular video, I'm going to demonstrate that you can use Link Fixer Advanced to move and rename your files and folders. The advantage is that Link Fixer Advanced can do this while automatically maintaining your file links throughout the migration process. Note, if you already have a certain set of tools that you're going to use to do your migration, then you want to use Link Fixer Advanced just to handle all of your file links. In this case, see the video entitled Link Fixer Advanced Video 1, Protecting and Auto-Restoring File Links Millions at a Time. If you haven't already selected the tool that you'll be using to do your migration, consider using Link Fixer Advanced. Yes, Link Fixer Advanced is known for its ability to automatically fix broken links, but you may not have heard that it can be used to migrate your files. What follows is a short demonstration of a very simple migration of files using the Move Rename tool. Let's take a look at the Move Rename process. We'll use this process to migrate your files without breaking any links. Link Fixer Advanced will move your files to any location that you choose while maintaining the integrity of your links. In the first step, you select the folders that you want to process. In this case, I'm going to be selecting Excel and Word sample files. Okay, now I do have filters to filter files and link types. The default setting allows me to select a specific set of file extensions. In this case, I will change the setting so that I can process all files and any link type. Next is the Create Rules section. We must create a rule that matches our sample file folders for this migration. Rules tell Link Fixer Advanced what to search for and then where to make the changes. Activated rules will be executed in a sequence from the top rule down the list. Our rule will move our sample files and make changes to ensure working links remain working in that new location. Next, we have the preview. The preview shows me how the rules will affect my files and folders, showing before I move them, and then after I move them with the new location's file path and links working once again. Now, let's view process files. This section shows a summary of all my selections and settings so that I'm sure it's what I want before I run the process. This process will take a matter of seconds to process the files, skipping files that don't match our rules or when we don't have the assigned permissions to process those files. And then it will repair any file links according to my settings. Okay, let's run the process and go to View Results. It's a fast process. In this first status section, it provides a progress summary which shows the number of files being processed, the progress bar, which allows us to monitor the process in real time. Also, we show the time the process started and ended, the total elapsed time, and the total data size that we processed. This next section is the results summary. As you can see, this is a two-phase process. The first phase shows the Move and Renamed pie chart for files. The green color displays all files that were successfully processed. The yellow color reveals that they were processed with warning messages. The orange color is files that were skipped when the rules did not apply or we don't have permission to access them. The blue color represents filtered files, and the gray shows the total number of files left to be processed. Lastly, the total number of files that we processed is at the bottom. In phase 2, we are automatically repairing links that were broken within these files after moving them to the new location. The pie chart matches the file's pie chart colors. However, the color descriptions here are files with repaired links processed successfully, files with repaired links processed successfully with warnings, and skip files that didn't have links to repair or match a rule. Lastly, those filtered out by our settings. Here is the number of files remaining to process and the total number of files that were processed. You can hover your mouse over a label to get more detailed information. Let's go over to the link results summary. This first pie chart shows a breakdown of the repaired links for Phase 2. The green color displays all links that were successfully processed. The yellow color reveals links that were processed with warning messages. The orange color is for links that were skipped when we could not find the file names in the link or rules did not apply to those links. The blue color represents filtered links. And lastly, the total number of links processed is shown. Next is the link status section. Let me explain more about this. The green color represents working and inoculated links. These are links that have been processed by our inoculate process and have become protected links. LinkFixer Advanced has a unique process that makes vulnerable working links into protected links. These can be broken but automatically restored at a later time. Be sure to watch the powerful video number 1, Protecting and Auto-Restoring File Links Millions at a Time, to get all the details. Okay, now the blue color is for links that are working and unprotected, as I just described. The yellow color, which is broken and inoculated, refers to links that are broken but can be automatically restored with our cure process, which is shown in video number 1, as they are now protected. The red color is for typical broken links that are potentially could be modified to become working links again. The gray color refers to links that are not supported, such as folder, web page, or email links. The total for all categories is at the bottom of this list. The last pie chart is type, which describes the total number of links of each type. File links are what users typically are concerned about. Now, under the status section, you'll find other useful items, such as summary and detailed processing reports, alert section, and drive and database usage status section. Okay, the process is finished, and our sample files were successfully migrated. But let me open a folder and take a quick look at a file to check the links. Were they fixed? And as you can see, it works. Now, this was a brief demonstration. In actual fact, LinkFixer Advance's real power comes from its amazing speed. Just imagine a migration scenario with thousands or even millions of files just like these. LinkFixer Advanced can literally save the day by moving and easily repairing all of your file links. Please contact one of our representatives to find out more on how LinkFixer Advanced can help you with your migration.